Are you struggling to find the perfect niche for your YouTube automation channel? AI tools can research for you and find profitable, low-competition topics in minutes. I'll show you two powerful AI tools that will help you discover high-demand topics for your faceless YouTube channel. Stay till the end because I'll also share a bonus AI tool that can give you instant viral content ideas. Finding the right topic is the most crucial step for a successful YouTube automation channel. Pick the wrong niche and you'll struggle to get views. But with AI, you can identify trending topics, analyze competition, and discover untapped opportunities that most people miss. In this video, I'll share two of the best AI-powered tools that will help you find high-traffic, low-competition topics, discover what's trending before it blows up, get data-driven insights to choose a profitable niche. Starting a YouTube automation channel can be more difficult because of too much competition, having no idea what's trending, and choosing the wrong niche. You must pick high-paying and monetizable topics that most people search. But AI solves these problems by scanning millions of data points and giving you the best possible topic ideas based on SEO, trends, and demand. Let's check out the two best AI tools to optimize your research. The first tool is ChatGPT, best for generating topic ideas. ChatGPT is an AI-powered chatbot that can generate video ideas in seconds. Just give it a prompt and it will suggest trending topics based on your niche, SEO-optimized video titles, and ideas based on competitor analysis. How to use it? Step 1. Open ChatGPT and type, "Give me 10 trending YouTube automation channel topics in the finance niche." Step 2. ChatGPT will generate niche ideas and specific video titles. Step 3. Open the Google Trends website to check which topics are gaining popularity. Pick a low-competition, high-search volume topic. The second tool is VidIQ, best for keyword and competition analysis. How does it work? VidIQ is a powerful AI YouTube tool that analyzes competition and identifies high-ranking topics with low competition. Find high-traffic, low-competition keywords, analyze what's trending in your niche, and check competitor channels for content gaps. How to use it? Step 1. Install VidIQ Chrome extension and go to YouTube. Step 2. Search for a topic you're considering. VidIQ will show search volume, how many people are looking for this, and competition score. How hard is it to rank for this topic? Step 3. Pick a topic that has high search volume but low competition to ensure your video ranks higher. Step 4. Open the VidIQ website and use AI title generator to create SEO-friendly video titles that drive clicks. Now you have the exact tools to find the best topics for your YouTube automation channel. ChatGPT generates trending video ideas and VidIQ finds low competition, high traffic keywords. AI does the research for you and helps you build a successful automation channel. Now that you know how to find the best YouTube topics using AI, here's what to do next. Start using these AI tools today. Research your next video idea using ChatGPT or VidIQ. Subscribe to AutoVix for weekly AI automation strategies. Join our free AI community where we share exclusive YouTube growth hacks. Want more AI-powered strategies? Drop a comment if you want a step-by-step automation tutorial. Let's make 2025 the year of AI-powered success.